looking to slow things down here. Sherba out to Pastrana. Her three-pointer.
And that's good. Straight from the bench. Let's take a look at this replay one more time. Tell me the ball movement you see, Frank.
Out to Pastrana. More than halfway done. They get the switch. That's a hard show by Ozar. Pastrana.
Still composed regardless of the pressure.
Offensive rebounds, you know. That's what's good with on one. UP bringing that hustle right there.
They're scrambling. And Pastrana again. But you know what's unstoppable, Frankie? It's this full court press. Now, if you're UP and you're a point guard, how do you kind of adjust?
You know, you really get rattled. And that's what's happening with UP right now. Finally being able to bring down the ball. But again, UST's defense is unstoppable. And Kent finally nailing. Oh, you can see Kent taking advantage of that.
Top ball screen. Pastrana rejects it. Ball fake, drive.
Oh, what a move!
Stepping back at that, she rejects the screen, attacks the basket aggressively. Fakes it and makes it.
Santos still looking for her first basket of the ball game. Bridget for three. Can't knock it down. Danganan offensive rebound. Danganan separation. Pastrana catches it.
UST still throws that. They need to try and compete and contest it.
Wide left, but you like the aggressiveness you're seeing.
I like the confidence from Castro.
And the boost of energy. Wow.
And Ken just making that shot. You can see here